What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another one. I've been talking about it for a while. I've been thinking about it for a while, and I finally went and did it. New car on the channel. All right, I'll stop being dramatic. Let me just show you. Ladies and gentlemen, the newest addition to the channel, Toyota Supra. Oh my God, that sounds so amazing. So much different than the Flaming Dragon, so much different, but like just as badass in just a totally different way. A totally different way. Yes, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, it is real. It is not a mirage. It is not a dream. It is a real life 2020 Toyota Supra, and it's mine. It's mine. I'm kind of speechless. I just went and bought the car this morning. It is brand new. I've yet to even comb through the menus. I've yet to, I mean, man, I have not really got to spend much time with it at all. You know, I wanted to start making the video as soon as possible so you can see some actual real life impressions, thoughts. You know, I basically went and picked the car up this morning, drove home, and here we are. So brand new, and it, don't believe me, no, I didn't rent it. No, it's not a friend's. It is mine. Got the temp tag on there, and my goodness, from the limited amount of time that I've got to spend with it. I know you don't want to look at me. I'll let you look at the car. The very limited amount of time that I've gotten to spend with it, I'm already blown away. This car is so much fun. It's unreal. And yes, the Mustang is fun. And yes, the Mustang is exhilarating and visceral. This thing is just a whole different animal. A whole different animal. I don't know. I don't even know. It's just this front view, unreal. Unreal. I mean, every angle of this car is just breathtaking. And my favorite angle, which I think because of the sun you might not be able to see that great, is the back. I mean, that, oh, that is ass right there, boys. So yes, we do have, I have a lot of explaining to do. The Mustang's not gone, okay? So before all you people that were hating on the Supra, when I asked about it a couple videos, they were like, oh, I'm not gonna watch anymore if there's no, the Mustang's still here, okay? I'm not explaining it in this video. This video is about the Supra. My next video, you know, I got these videos planned out now. My next video is gonna be what's happened with the Mustang. We'll talk about it. We're not talking about it here. We'll talk about it, okay? I'll let you know. Don't go anywhere. That's all I have to say. Don't go anywhere. It's still here. You should be too, okay? Yes, 2020 Supra. This video is really to accomplish one thing and one thing only. I mean, good Lord, I'm gonna have so much content from this car and the Mustang, but this is to introduce the car, tell you what it is, and that's about it. So as you can see, we got it in red. No, I wasn't necessarily planning on getting it in red the whole time. You know, really the only color I didn't want was like the dark blue or the black. I really wanted the white, but red was right there, and I ended up getting a really good deal on this car. So what it is, 2020 Supra. I got it pre-owned with 2,000 miles on it. 2,000 miles. Almost exactly how I got the Mustang, pre-owned with 2,000 miles. So I did not take the hit for it being a brand new car, but essentially this is a brand new car. And I mean, it's amazing. So we'll quickly go over a few things. Obviously red on the outside, those headlights are so sick. I didn't even realize this until I actually got the car, but we got these, let me get out of the way of the sun, these carbon fiber mirror caps. I mean, just, oh, so sexy. Coming into the car here, at the door, got the JBL audio right there, and there's a look inside. Keeping it on the outside here. So, got these nice wheels. How big are they? Are 19. It's got the red brake calipers in there. As you probably know, these vents actually aren't real. I guess they're for tuners. I don't really know. The mirror caps. We do have the keyless entry and exit right there. Got the Pilot Super Sport tires on there, the same things that came on the Mustang when I first got it. Now back around this backside, my favorite angle. I mean, these tips, these are stock tips, and they're like giant 4-inch badass looking tips. It's crazy. Now one of my favorite things about this car is this badge. Look how sick that font is. That is so badass. That is so badass. I need to get that the F off there. Jesus Christ. The GR, that's fucking sick. And then this like little race car inspired, like, I don't know if it actually lights up or if it's just a reflector. It looks like it's just a reflector. Still cool though. I mean, that thing from a distance just looks like an animal. So another thing I really like about the car is the little back hatch. Let's see, there it is. The hatch back here. So the whole thing opens up like that. I mean, that just looks badass. The whole window comes up. Decent amount of space. Obviously, you know, not a ton, but really you should know what you're getting here. You know, you can fit any, you know, if you're buying so many groceries, you can't fit it back here. I don't know, you're feeding an entire football team or something. Like, plenty of room for groceries. Maybe some golf clubs, maybe. Got the subwoofer system back there. The system does sound pretty good. Like I said, it's the JBL, so a good amount for this car. I mean, it's got enough storage in the back for just about anything that somebody driving this car is going to need, if that makes sense. So I do like the trunk. It'd be more cool if it was like automatic raising, but you know, it's nitpicking that point, small complaint. Gas door on the passenger side, which is different. My Mustang is on the driver's side. Not a huge deal, don't really care. Got the headlights up here. This whole like front end just looks F1 car inspired. I mean, it's badass looking. Badass looking. I can't get over it. I'll raise the hood for y'all real quick. So something kind of funny I just realized. So you open the hood like this, but it says 2X. I don't know if you can see it. So I pulled it once and it kind of clicked like it sounded like it came ajar. So I came up and I couldn't get it. Then I remember it said 2X, so I went back, and you have to pull it twice. It's kind of weird. I guess the first time's just for an accident. But so this is something new coming from a Mustang owner, is it actually has the, you know, whatever you call the things, like you don't have to have the stand. Now I was watching a video and I saw this, which I guess is just a hose or a line. I thought that was the little kickstand for the hood, and I'm like, Jesus Christ, I'm in a car that's, you know, $50,000-$60,000 really having a little hood kickstand. But no, automatic hood or whatever, the, you know, pretty pimp. All right, just letting y'all see that. All right, now let's move on to the inside. Oh God. Now, the first thing I realized when getting in this car is, holy crap, it's tiny in here. It is tiny in here. Now, you know, not, I knew it was gonna be small. I knew it was a small car, but like, it's tiny. You know, the Mustang I feel like is a pretty kind of cockpit feeling, you know, not quite as much as like the Camaro, like cockpit, excuse me, feeling. But the Mustang is, you know, it's a sports car still, it's small. But this car is significantly smaller than the Mustang, significantly. I mean, the lady that I bought it from had the seat all the way up when I first got in the car, and I'm not a tall guy, I'm like 5'9", 5'10", and my head was, I was like, oh my God. Obviously I lowered it and, you know, you fit in, but it's small in here. It is small in here. Not a complaint, not a bad thing. You know, it's just, you know, it's small. So on the doors here, like I said, not much. Lock, unlock, window up, down, got your mirror adjustments, fold in, trunk button, this badass like Toyota Supra thing right there. We got the seat adjustment on the sides. Excuse me, and your seat memory. Come over here, you just got your light adjustments, whatever. Nice steering wheel, feels premium. I like it. I might end up getting a new steering wheel, but who knows. Paddle shifters, very nice feeling. They're really, like, I don't know, they may be plastic, but they feel solid. They look metal, they feel really nice. You know, really nice feeling dash, the leather wrapped right here. A lot of buttons on here, but honestly, there's not, you know, this is all cruise control. So it's got the adaptive cruise control. I haven't even used this yet. Mode, so that's to like toggle through the audio modes. I guess this is, okay, so this, yes, it does have the heads-up display. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not, but this little toggle controls that. Got your phone, speaker, volume control here. Look at this, to show you how small this car is. Look at that. Look at, I mean, it's like half a finger. That's funny. Anyways, who cares? Got your lights, whatever. It should have home link. Yep, home link right there underneath. Got the vents right here. Hazards, start, stop, obviously. You got your volume, and kind of your button controls here. All your heated seats. Doesn't have cooled seats, not a big deal. It's kind of funny that my, you know, my Mustang that was $10,000 cheaper does have it, but not a big deal, whatever. Air control right here. Kind of a lot of buttons just to control the climate, but whatever. One of the really badass things, so this is actually a phone charger. So you just slide your phone down in there, boom, it's charging. See that little light come on? Boom, charging. Got your USB, got the little whatever that thing is to plug something in. Then you come right around to here. So we got it does have the dual clutch in it, the ZF transmission. It is badass. It shifts so fast. Oh my God, I feel overwhelmed. There's so much I want to get into. I'm just running over everything right now. So I got the, you know, obviously foot on the brake, got drive, you click the button on the side, pull back, forward for reverse, whatever, park, press that. You can slap it over for manual mode. Got the electronic parking brake here, automatic start stop, the most annoying feature known to mankind. Sport button right here, parking sensors, traction control, safety system, and then right here you have all your buttons, as well as you can toggle and change the menu up here. The menu is okay, touchscreen, and you can control using this little thing down here. So I like this, just like the seam that goes right there. It looks very nice, very nice. Let me get a look at the seats. Good Lord, it is hard to climb in and out of this car. So the seats, really nice looking sport seats. And obviously this is a two-seater. Got a little bit of storage right here for the wallet. And then you can see just in the back right there and out the back window. So one thing about this car is there is a comical amount of storage. Laughable. Now, I know you don't buy this car for storage. I know that. Don't even say it. But for instance, it doesn't have a center console. This doesn't move. I didn't know that. It's kind of funny. Cup holders. I mean, this is your storage. That's your storage right there. What my wallet's in. And you got some door pockets. So you got the handle, you got that. When actually the wallet fits quite nicely right there. So that'll probably be the wallet spot. But it's just funny. There's nowhere to put anything. Your phone goes there. I mean, quite literally, I don't even know where to put the key. Except, I mean, either back here, I guess. Or in the cup holder? I don't know. Like, there's not really a spot to put it there because it'll just be going everywhere. I don't know. It's funny. I'm not even knocking the car. I just think it's hilarious. There's like nowhere to put anything. Oh, okay. Quick rundown over. Let's go for a drive.